Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to buy USDT in Zengo wallet. Go ahead and open your Zengo app, and then at the bottom area you can see the buy option and receive. You can tap on buy, search for USDT, and depending on the network you'd like to use, you can go ahead and choose whichever. However, we will be purchasing USDT with the Ethereum network. And at this point, you get to put the amount in your local currency of how much you want to buy USDT. And then tap on buy with credit card. And then right here, you'll have three options, either using your credit card, your Apple Pay, or PayPal with MoonPay. Go ahead and select any of these options, fill in the card details, and complete the process as shown on the screen. There is a second method of buying USDT, and we'll need to go back to the home page and tap on receive at the bottom, and then we're going to search for USDT. Once again, we'll be using USDT Ethereum, so we're going to tap on it. And right here, you can see your USDT address details. At the top here, you can see receive and then my USDT address. And then at the right side, you can see the copy icon. When we tap on it, your address will be copied. Alternatively, you can use your QR code to tap on it, so your QR code can be shown. So these are the two options to buy USDT in Zengo wallet.